Hey guys, it's Ariel here. So today I'm coming at you guys with a cute crochet style video, and right now I'm just prepping my hair. I'm getting ready to get it braided. So my hair has grown a lot, as you can see, and I'm just parting and getting it ready to be styled. So this hair I use this Hollywood braid 3 times as fast, pre-stretched Ombre Burgundy. And I got it from my local beauty supply store for $5.99, but it'll be in the description. Okay, so I'm back with my hair braided, and right now I'm just going to install the hair, and I'm going to start with the bottom rows. And on the bottom rows I'm just doing the regular crochet method, just twisting it 2 times and pulling it through. And I'm going to do that for the bottom rows and the back of my hair, but for my edges and the braids where my part is going to show, I'm going to use the knotless method. And the knotless method is just hiding the knots in between the hair instead of having the knots on the outside of the hair. So all you're going to do for the knotless method is you're going to take your crochet needle, you're going to put it through your braid, and you're going to pull the hair through. And when you pull the hair back through the loop, you're only going to pull one end of the hair back through the loop instead of both ends of the hair through the loop. So just watch it again, and hopefully you can pick it up. It's really easy, it's really simple. The only thing is that it's time consuming. And also, if you want a detailed tutorial on how to do crochet braids, I have that on my channel, so make sure you go and check out the rest of my videos on how I crochet hair in. But right now I'm just giving you guys a brief overview of how I crochet this hair in, and so I'm just going to continue doing this till I'm done. So my sister helped me finish the back, and she's just doing the same method, just installing it till all my braids are covered up all the way to the top. So here I am, I'm back. This is after I've installed all the hair, and this is pretty much going to be my final result, because I tried to curl this hair and I don't have a stove at my dorm, so I had to do it with like water that I microwaved, which really wasn't that hot. So when I curled this hair by, dipping it in hot water, I really didn't get the definition that I wanted. I got more of a crinkle curl than, a tight curl. So yeah, what you see me doing now is just me braiding it, and then I'm going to add some flexi rods to the end and attempt to curl this hair. But like I said, it didn't work, let's just say that. But I tried. Your girl tried. This is my first time doing this method. Hopefully I'll get better at this hot water dipping and all that stuff. But yeah, I got a little bit of a curl, like a barely a wave. I could have wore it like that, but I just decided to keep it straight because I like the straight look. So yeah, the next few clips are going to be pictures of my final results. I wore the hair down some days, I wore it in a ponytail. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I love you guys. Thank you for watching.